Breast cancer affects 1.7 million women every year in the world. Only 15% have a breast reconstruction with different surgeries such as silicone breast implant or autologous tissue transfer. These techniques have several issues such as presence of foreign objects or number of major surgeries. They are also expensive for the social care system.
To bring an innovative solution for all patients, Lattice Medical develops the Mattis bioprosthesis, giving a natural, simple and single cell-free breast reconstruction. Patented Mattis implant is made of bioabsorbable medical-grade materials, allowing reconstruction of autologous fat tissues. Once implanted, the tissue regenerates naturally for 6 months and simultaneously the implant disappears.
Mattis bioprosthesis will be commercialized on breast reconstruction and breast augmentation markets. Treatment costs for all patients will be significantly decreased due to single surgery.
Lattice Medical set up a unique 3D printing production tool in cleanroom following medical quality standards. As a producer, we are addressing multiple reconstructive surgery applications for adipose tissue regeneration. This unique production system allows total versatility and flexibility and guarantees European sovereignty.
Lattice Medical is the result of a collaboration between a plastic surgeon, a biologist and a biochemist from Lille Hospitals and a biomaterial engineer. Lattice Medical is a team of 20 people, engineers and doctors in biomechanics, construction surgery, biomaterials, 3D printing processes, quality and regulatory affairs. The diversity of our skills creates the singularity of this innovation. Thanks to first seed round with European VCs, Lattice Medical succeed in key milestones prior to first in human, with strong preclinical performance shown in multiple peer-reviewed articles and validated by medical community.
The clinical investigation involves 3 centers in Georgia.
You will be accompanied throughout your reconstruction by our Georgian and French investigators. The operation will be performed in one of the surgical centers in Tbilisi and assisted by our French medical experts. Our team travels to each operation. After your discharge from the hospital, you will be followed up for 2 years with periodic appointments every 15 days at the surgical center until complete healing, and then more spaced out. This increased surveillance ensures that you will be taken care of in complete safety, and you will be able to contact our experts at any time if you feel the slightest discomfort or if you have the slightest doubt.
Your procedure and all its follow-up are fully covered financially, so you don't have to worry about that when you call your doctor. You have the opportunity to participate in an international study which will also take place in France and Spain, whose objective is to be able to restore your physical integrity more naturally without having a foreign body implanted over the long term.